Good morning, CDT day 144, the last week on the trail. This was last night's camp. Just got all packed up out here in the trees just off trail, and about 3/4 of a mile from the road as well, so good timing. The girls apparently already left earlier, so Pap's getting up, I'm getting up, family size is still here, so the boys are still in the woods. I believe it's about 10.5 miles from here to town, so we got about I think like 9.5, 10 miles on the road, and then just got to get down to it, so not too bad. Maybe 3 hours, because the roads are pretty quick. So we get into town and then start getting things figured out. So beautiful weather today. That's the forecast. So the forecast was pretty accurate for this whole section. We had about 2 days of rain, maybe 2.5, so those were the expected days. Unfortunately, we hit both of those days of rain when it were only supposed to be about 30-40% chance, but you know, the odds were in our favor. Luck was not. That's okay. It worked out pretty well. Everything I own is dry right now except for one pair of socks, and they're gonna hang out on the side of my pack to dry. So all in all, working out really well. So I get into town, probably do some laundry, eat some food, and then find my way into one of these hostels, and then beer for sure. That's Glacier National Park right over there. Not even in it yet, and it's already gorgeous. Made it to the highway, and there is a privy here. I waited just in case, and I got lucky. So got a privy, and they'll be heading up the highway. Got about 10.5 miles. Not too excited about walking on pavement for that long, but the end goal is town, so that's enough of a motivator for me. Another really good thing about making it to town is that I'm starting to lose the fight on pain management for my ankle. So right now in the morning, it feels like it did yesterday in the afternoon. And you know, the pain gets worse and worse through the day as I use it. So you know, if I were to have another day in the backcountry, it would probably hurt like evening time, but it would hurt like that in the morning. So pain management's getting hard to keep under control. So this is perfect timing. Getting into town, I'll be able to rest tonight, and then tomorrow's a 0 day, and then you know, potentially more if needed. So we'll see what happens with that. And it's just a good reason to get into town. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm starting my day at 7:45 a.m. on Friday, September 20th. That was a little while ago, but that's when I started. First mile marker of the day, 200. What's the next one gonna be? Put in your votes. Cast your votes now in the chat box. I'm looking at, my gut's telling me 199. It's either 199 or 201. What's it gonna be? Oh, I was wrong. It's mile marker 201. Dang, this is why you don't gamble, kids. It's dangerous. Alright, I'll give you guys the money. It's too bad. I could have used that cash. I'm probably gonna have to take a bank loan out just for all the food I'm about to buy and eat in East Glacier. Welcome to Blackfeet Indian Country. We just left Lewis and Clark National Forest. So now we're in, I believe, a reservation and some private land, and then we'll be in East Glacier, and then leaving East Glacier in a couple days. It'll be in Glacier National Park all the way to the border, and then Waterton International Peace Park for about 4 miles into Canada. Exciting. I'm starting to see buildings. Oh, please, get me into town, get me off of this ankle. They have a pretty cool little setup for the entrance to Blackfeet country. Some metal sculptures of Native Americans on horses and all the flags and TP and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. It's nice. Welcome to East Glacier Park. Oh, thank you. Alrighty, time to find food. I was so excited at breakfast I forgot to do my usual filming or video of it and picture, but I had some French toast and a mushroom Swiss omelet and some hash browns and toast, so that was really nice. And now I'm at the post office because I want to send home my broken phone because I think I can get it fixed when I return to home, and I might send home something else, but I'm not sure. Paps joined me in town, and probably about a dozen other hikers. There are hikers crawling around this town. Hikers that I've never even met or seen in my life are all over here. So apparently it's one of their birthdays today, so the bars might be hopping tonight. But I think we're gonna go to one of these hostels uptown, not the one that I was planning on, but a different one, and figure that out. So the original hostel I was going to stay at, and now I'm not. I have to go get the package that I had my dad sent from there, but I just stopped by and the guy said he couldn't find it, so yeah, maybe wait till tomorrow or something. But we'll get that all situated, squared away, figured out. For now, I'm gonna mail this stuff home and then go get a bed and a shower and laundry. Look, guys, it's the world's largest purple spoon. Can you believe it? How do they do it? And they got another sign over here. It says, the world's largest wooden spoon shop, perhaps. I like these guys. I like it. So we're in like the second section of East Glacier. There's kind of two areas. And this is the place we're gonna try to stay, is Brownie's. It's a bakery, deli, and apparently also a hostel. So hopefully we'll get some beds here tonight. And the other hikers, I believe, are staying over at Sears Motel. Alright, we were able to secure some beds despite this place being pretty busy. Got some laundry soap, so I'll be doing laundry in a minute. And a double scoop of Montana homemade huckleberry ice cream. Perfect. So here's our room in the hostel. This is my bed right up top there. Well, we got 3 other thru hikers staying with me tonight. So we got family size Paps Bear. I just ate an entire pizza to myself, so that was nice. Had a shower, had laundry, feeling clean, feeling crisp, fresh, and good. And had a couple of drinks. There's like 10 other hikers in town that are now at the lodge, so I might go down to hang out with them, might not. And yeah, just having a grand old time, relaxing, healing up that ankle. Alright, so I guess the only thing left to do is relax and do nothing. So I'm calling that the end of the day. A Nero day into East Glacier Village, just outside of Glacier National Park, leaving about 100 miles left on the CDT. So stats for today, did about 10.5 miles, elevation unknown, but I don't think we did much climbing. It was all on the road, so maybe a couple hundred feet thrown in there. So obviously a flat day, and made it into town pretty quick, so it's a perfect time to rest the ankle and prepare for my nice relaxing 0 day tomorrow. So we'll catch you in the morning.